Hello people again. Here I am at my workshop building again. And as you can see, one side of the roof is done and the other is insulated. Except for this part I have the insulation plates ready, but I can't put them on at the moment because I can't reach there. So I will put them on as I get the panels a little further. So this is getting closer to ready finally. And the situation now is that I run out of this wood that I use for the roof, and it's not very late yet, so I decided to take a look at my air compressor, my new Ingersoll-Rand air compressor. It's so cold I can't even talk. Even though I have my heater on, it's still like -4 degrees in here. Outside it is almost -20. So I took off some of the covers, and what I found inside really surprised me. Take a look at this. This is not a screw-type compressor. It's an ordinary piston compressor. What's special about this is that it has some kind of suspension to it. So I think it should operate very smoothly and quietly. So after all, this is a 4 kilowatt 2-cylinder piston type compressor, which I think after all is a good thing, because these types of compressors are much simpler than the screw type compressors. And the good thing is that there is oil in the block. It's halfway full and the oil looks very clean. So I think the block itself is okay, and it also turns very easily. I can hear some air coming out somewhere. I wonder where it's coming from. I will find out. So, this is my find. And now I'm asking you if any of you knows this type of compressor. Please let me know if you know anything about it. It seems simple enough. Some pretty simple electrics. 2 contactors. Well, this is a contactor, and about these, I think these are some overprotection relays. And this is a transformer that makes the power to operate the contactor and maybe something else too. And here it has a thermometer to operate this fan when it gets hot. And this has 2 settings, automatic and off. Not quite sure what it is. It is a little different from let's say, this compressor. But the main things are exactly the same. It's got a motor and a block. So, I think I'm not sure if I should try to run it. It has oil in it. So I think it doesn't get any worse if I try to run it. Let's see what I end up doing. I think anyway this is the end of this video. I think this will be the first machine that I'm gonna repair. Of course when I get the lathe back it will be the first one to go. But if I don't get it back yet, I will take a look at this one. So, until next time, thank you for watching again.